This is a demo video of a haulage management system for Logical Ghana Limited. I want to walk you through and show you how this system works. So first of all, we have 6 pages or screens. We have the dashboard, we have users where we enter and manage users. We also have transporters page where we enter, where we add and manage transporters. We also have trucks and then drivers and then jobs. So basically the job page is where we enter we bill information or details. And then we have rates. So at the rate section, that is where we enter rates for Shell as well as engine fuel stations, their fuel rates, as well as the rates for the different cargo vendors like Olam and also Wilma. So we have rates for different destinations like Accra, Kumasi. So cargoes going to Ada or going to Aflao, Wilma as well as Olam have their own rates for such trips or cargo. So we have to add the different rates according to destinations for both Wilma and also Olam. I've already added one rate for Olam, and that is Accra rate, and I made it 3 cities. This is just a demo, and so it might not be correct. It might be correct. It might not be correct. Also, I've added rate for Shell, which is 30 cities. So for 1 liter, it might be correct. It might not be correct. It's just a demo. So from rate, we go to the Waybill page, and also we have reports page. That is where the daily reports as well as the monthly trips or jobs are displayed. So this is a bar chart report or statistics, and also this is a line chart statistics, and we have other summaries down here. So let me walk you through page by page and explain to you what is happening. So first of all, we have August total trips. So the system assumes, based on the jobs that has been entered so far in August, the system assumes that Logical trucks have made about 14 trips in August. It might be more than that, it might be less, it might be more than that, because we just, or Logical started using the system, and they are still inputting a lot of details and data. Okay, so this session also displays the total tracks recorded. So these are the total tracks recorded as of August. Okay, and this is also total transporters recorded. So these are the total transporters recorded. Also, at this session, we have pending jobs. So what happens is, anytime you enter jobs, do you understand? Anytime you enter jobs, you come to this session and then you create a new job, you add your customer, do you understand? And then maybe you choose a track number. The moment you choose a track number, automatically the transporter fields will be populated, because the track numbers are linked to the transporter fields. And also, because we chose Olam as our cargo owner, automatically they deals in bags. So maybe assuming this is 3,000 bags, and then we can also add our truck. Okay, so the moment you choose track number, the transporter field will be populated. Then we have to choose destination. So because I only have Accra rates, let me choose Accra as my destination, and also choose a driver. Also, the moment you choose a driver, the driver field will be populated, assuming this driver is taking, let's say, 300 worth of fuel, and then because I entered cash, I have to choose cash. Assuming I have entered latest, I will choose latest. And then we have fuel station. This is Shell because I've already entered rates for Shell. So let's use Shell. The date is 23rd, and then I click on save. So um, the moment I save, and I go to the dashboard, it will be added to the list of jobs that I've saved so far. So assuming I want to review this job and then approve it. Okay, after reviewing it, I can go ahead and then approve it. So the moment I approve this job, it will appear at the completed job section. You understand? So I have approved it. So it will appear at the completed job section. And automatically it will also appear at the waybill section. Do you understand? It will appear at the waybill section, which means the admin or the accountant can go ahead and make payment. So this is a quick summary of the jobs that has been approved, or waybill that has been approved. So in all the cargo, the cargo, where's the cargo? Okay, so the bags were 3,000, and also okay, let me use this session. Okay, so in all we have this date, we have cargo owner, which is Olam, and the transporter, which is properties, and also we have destination. So this cargo went to Accra, and the cargo quantity was 3,000, and the unit price for each cargo is 3. That's 3 cities. So 3 times 3,000, and also we have 3 times 3,000 will give us 9,000. To understand? So this is the total cargo. This is the cargo total. So it multiplied 3,000 by 3, and we got 9,000. And then we have the fuel. The fuel is from Shell, and it's 10 liters, and the unit price is 30 Ghana cedis. So 10 times 30 will give us 300 Ghana cedis. So when we preview it, what is happening is, in all, we have the cargo amount of 9,000, and we have fuel amount of 300 Ghana cedis. So what happens is we deducted 300 cedis from 9,000, which is the normal practice of Logic Oil. So we deducted 300 from 9,000, and then we got 8,700. So which means this is the remaining balance, which is 8,700, which we have to pay the transporter. So assuming we make an initial payment of 700 Ghana cedis. So let's pay 700 out of the, so it's left with 8,000. Then I save. So the moment I save, what will happen is, the moment I save and I come back to my waybill, this is what will happen. So it will display part payment, which means we have made part payment. We haven't made full payment. Once we are done with the full payment, it will display that we are done with the full payment. So basically, that is the dashboard. At the user page, that is where we can add and edit users. So assuming we want to add new user, we click on the add the new user button, and it will bring us to this page. We'll fill the form. This is the crucial part. We can assign a user to a user role, an admin role, and also a guest role. Let me talk briefly about the guest role. What the guest role does is, once a user is assigned a guest role, it means that user can only access these summaries or statistics. They can't access this part of the application, and they can also access this part of the application. Do you understand? But they can't access the middle part, and they can also access the reports part of the application. So these are the two pages a guest can can access. Also, a user, if